Model, 2017 Renault Master Business MML35 dCi 145 Energy Fridge Van ULEZ bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 174,477. MOT, the 1st of May 2025. Engine, 2298 CCM 9T 145 Energy E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. This really does start and drive fantastic. Engine, clutch, gearbox, brakes, suspension are perfect. The fridge unit works in the back, or can just be used as a normal panel van. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, electric windows, 2 keys, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.